Ready to move your Solana from Trust Wallet to another wallet or exchange? Let's dive into a quick and easy guide. First, open your Trust Wallet app and make sure you're on the main wallet screen. Find Solana in your list of assets. It may be listed as SOL, and tap on it. Now, on the Solana wallet screen, you'll see a few options we want to withdraw. So tap the Send button. This is where you'll enter the details of where you want to send your SOL. You'll need the recipient address where you want to send your Solana. This could be an address from another wallet, or an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Copy and paste the recipient address into the recipient address field. Always double check this address. A mistake here can result in permanent loss of your funds. Next, enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw into the amount field. You can also tap the max button if you want to send all of your SOL. Remember to leave a small amount of SOL in your wallet to cover transaction fees, as Solana requires SOL to pay for gas. Trust Wallet will estimate the network fee required for the transaction. These fees are typically very low on the Solana network, but it's good to be aware. Once you've confirmed the recipient address and the amount, tap the Next button. You'll be taken to a confirmation screen displaying all the transaction details. Double check everything one last time. Recipient address, amount, and fees are all displayed, so make sure these are all correct. If everything looks good, tap the Send button at the bottom of the screen. Trust Wallet will process your transaction. You'll typically see a sending a euro animation, followed by a confirmation that your transaction was successful. The time for the transaction to be confirmed on the Solana network can vary. You can view the transaction details by tapping on the transaction in your Solana wallet history. This will show you the transaction ID, which you can use to track its progress on a Solana block explorer. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn Solana from your Trust Wallet.